Welcome back to Cooked and Plated. Today we're taking your taste buds to the Caribbean with some delicious Jamaican shrimp fritters. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, these flavorful bites are perfect as an appetizer or snack. So let's get cooking, and then of course, we'll plate it. So our shrimp is cleaned and cut into bite sizes. So we're going to season it with using a blend of shrimp bouillon, garlic powder, onion powder, curry powder, jerk powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. This will give our fritters that bold, authentic Jamaican flavor. For our fresh ingredients, we're adding chopped tricolor bell peppers, chopped onion, garlic, and of course, one Scotch bonnet pepper for that perfect kick of heat. Now for our dry ingredients, we've got all-purpose flour, a little cornstarch for that extra crispiness, chicken bouillon, and the same seasoning blend we used on our shrimp. This will bring all the flavors together in the batter. Before mixing, we'll need 2 cups of water to bring the batter together. Now we'll combine everything: seasoned shrimp, fresh veggies, and our dry ingredients. Mix it all together until well combined. Let the batter sit for 30 minutes or even overnight at room temperature for the best flavor infusion. Now it's time to fry them up. I'm using a cast iron pan, but any frying pan will work. Add just enough oil to fry the batch, about 2 to 3 cups. Fry each fritter for about 4 minutes on each side until they're golden and crispy. While they're frying, you start to see that beautiful golden color forming on each fritter. This is exactly what you want. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Make sure they're cooked for about 4 minutes per side to get that perfect doneness. Don't forget that the full recipe is in the description below, so check that out for all the details. Now that our shrimp fritters are perfectly fried, it's cooked, now let's plate it. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's break one of these fritters open and see how they look inside. It tastes amazing. You all should try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!